Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home.
Welcome back, guys. We are here with yet another KFC, but today we have the wings and we've separated them in drums and flat, and we have our flour mixture over here. Drop it down in the comment section if you know what we use in the flour mixture. I'm waiting. And we have our water as per usual. So the flour mixture consists of our onion and garlic powder mixture and our salt and pepper. Yes, ensure that was what you had. So just now we're going to add this in the flour, right? Let's go. And I'm going to do all the flats first. Sure, let's do everything, right?
Yes, guys, so I know the thing go. We make it quick, simple and easy.
Yes,
just
guys.
3 simple steps. From the cutting board to the flour to the water, back in the flour, then you know the thing go.
Yes, guys, and remember we always give these. Yes, guys, remember we always give these 2 coating. Yes.
Especially the wings need to be coated twice. The breast and the leg and the thigh and the rib, you don't have to coat that twice, but we choose to because we're looking for an extra crunch. But the wings is a must to be coated twice.
And guys, if you're new here, please check out our original KFC or barbecue and or Popeyes. We have some Popeyes video as well.
So I'm gonna catch a drift.
Hold on, guys, let's go, right?
In the water. In there. Right there. One go. Jamaican turn. Everything.
One go. Everything. Chef Reid style, right? So I am just now going to use this tongue here to get it all up in there during the excess.
Back in the flour.
And look at that, guys.
So I'm going to catch a drift. When we come back, we're going to say in the hot aisle, so we'll soon forward again.
Yes, guys, I'm going to drop these drums first. Look at that. All if you cannot swim, better learn Quantron if you don't watch Quan. That's what I got that from. Yeah, and guys, we're going to cook these for 5 to 8 minutes and ensure that you're giving it a check, right?
So, I'm going to take it in. Okay, get a closer look. Watch how the oil boiling, guys.
Yes, guys, look at that.
Roaring hot. If this touch your skin, peel it right now.
And if you want to see us do Burger King next or Wendy's, drop it down in the comment section down below and it's all yours. So forward. Yes, guys, and we are going to give this a check and I'm going to just show you a drum. Look at that, coming together nicely, but we have a little more time to go, right? See if I can find drum
about
again.
Next minute or 2.
Yes,
then
guys.
You know what time it is.
So forward.
Then I'm going to sauce him up and things are so forward again.
So forward. Look at that, guys. Once you're seeing these soft bubbles, you know that the chicken is ready or near ready, but these are ready. So we're just going to remove. Look at that, guys. Look at that, beautiful, right? So we're just going to catch you guys when we're saucing up. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers.
Spam up the comment section.
Yes,
soon
guys,
forward.
Soon forward.
And if you reach this far, guys, comment barbecue wings.
Yes, guys, and drop some heart in the comment section as well, so we will know if you watch the video to the end.
Soon forward again.
So forward. Yes, guys.
So we're there again, and we're gonna sauce up them drum here.
But take the time out to admire how these are nice and crispy. In we go. Remember, guys, this is a 10-piece or a 20-piece you want. Drop it down in the comment section and tell me how much you need, right? Back with the brush again. And guys, if you were at home doing this, you could have used your time. If you don't have a brush, you know, just giving you guys some tips and facts. Coming back with the tongue to give these a turn. And I know you guys get the idea and the gist because you've been here and you've watched the barbecue thigh and leg. I'm trusting that you've watched it. So ready up your quick thinking, your quick fingers to spam up that comment section, and if you enjoy, please share. So forward.
Alright, so forward.
Yes guys, start dropping those comments. Got that, man? On a Friday night, chilling with the girls. Guys.
You hear that, guys? Chilling with the what?
Girls.
And your wife you got. And even if you bother got because you don't know if you do it in yourself.
Right? That's why I said chilling with the girls, chilling with the family. However it is. Yes, guys. So tell us down in the comment section your favorite video of ours. What not only that, but also what you didn't expect to work out and it just happened. Yes guys, coming together nicely. Beautiful, right? Yes guys. Drop it down in the comment section and let us know how you are enjoying these videos. If you enjoy them, if you don't, just leave your honest opinion. And there you have it guys, our 10-piece barbecue wings. Yes guys, so we've made it to the end of this video. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?